Friends, let's learn addition trick. How to solve this type of question using the addition trick. Let's start. We start from right side. 7 plus 5, 12. 4 plus 6, what is 10? 3 plus 9, 1, 2. So we will write 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. So we write 10. 1 plus 9, 1, 0. So we write 1, 0. Then we will add these all numbers. 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, as it is 1. So answer is 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 0. This is our answer. Next question. 5, 4, 7, 6 plus 2, 9, 8, 7. Then we start. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 9, 13. 7 plus 8, 15. 6 plus 7, what is? 1, 3. Right. 1, 3. 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. Answer is 8, 4, 6, 3. This is answer. Next question. Comment your answer. It's your homework for you. Do practice, friends. Like, share and subscribe, friends.